You blank to see a doctor. Should, ought. Well, should and ought have the same meaning. You can say you should study, and you can say you ought to study. The only difference is should is followed by the verb, only the verb, no to, and ought needs to. And since you have to here, so ought is the answer. You ought to see a doctor, and it means you should see a doctor. Don't look at blank, sun or the sun. The word sun, does it take the or not? How many suns do we have? Only one. How many moons do we have? Only one. So we say the sun and we say the moon. We use the with a thing when it's unique, when there's only one of it in the world. Another example, the sky, because there is only one sky in the world. And we can also say the world, okay? So the answer here is the sun. Don't look at the sun. We should blank healthy food. Eat, to eat, eating. Should, guys, does it take the verb or to plus the verb or the verb plus ing? Well, look at this example again and answer. Thank you for watching.